So we are breaking this big story on India Today that government of India has responded to President Donald Trump and his claims. India has decided to take head-on with President Donald Trump on his claims about India fueling the Russian war machinery. The statistics given by the Ministry of External Affairs in a formal statement clearly shows that it's not India which is actually fueling the Russian war machine by Russian oil purchase, because Europe is buying more than what India is buying from Russia. So clearly this is a distinction. This is a big statement coming from the government of India. Ministry of External Affairs has put out a statement stating that it's the Europe which is buying more goods from Russia. Clearly, the statistics shows here that India's oil purchase from Russia is $56 billion in year 22-25, and in year 23-24, it was $51 billion. So clearly, India is not buying the amount of oil which President Donald Trump is trying to elude. So clearly, this is a distinction. Government of India, Ministry of External Affairs has put out a statement, rebutting the statement given by President Donald Trump, because in a recent social media post, President Donald Trump has claimed that India is buying huge amount of oil from Russia and also refining it and selling it that oil in open market, and also this way fueling the Russian war machinery, and also putting the onus or putting a question on Indian outlook as far as the Russia-Ukraine conflict is concerned. The government of India has rebutted the statement by President Donald Trump by saying that there shouldn't be a two standards in this case. This is a duality of standards and outlook. On one side, Europe is buying more. Europe is buying goods worth over $63 billion from Russia, and besides that, they are also buying huge number of services, fertilizers and other things. I'm being joined by my colleague Gaurav Sawant as well. Gaurav, this is a big statement coming from Government of India, clearly rebutting the statement by President Donald Trump and clearly making it clear before the world that who's buying more and who's fueling the Russian war machinery.
India, in an unusually strong but very firm statement, has put out facts in public domain. Yes, India is buying oil from Russia, but that keeps global prices stable. Yes, India is buying oil from Russia. India is not in violation of any international law or rule. Do keep in mind, as you know well, Pranay, that it's the G7 countries would put the $60 cap on Russia oil. There is no sanction on Russian oil. Europe is buying it. In fact, America is also buying it through India. European Union is buying a lot of it through India and also directly. Indian imports, as Government of India said, is meant to ensure predictable and affordable energy costs to the Indian consumer. We are the world's third largest energy consumers, and 85% India is dependent on imports. Now, in case India were not to buy from Russia, like after US sanctions, India is not buying from either Venezuela or from Iran, global prices would shoot up. In 2022, you recall, prices had already crossed $137 per barrel. If India were to stop buying from Russia, it may cross, according to one report, $200 a barrel, and global economy will be in tailspin and will trigger massive recession. That is why, in fact, in 2022, and India is saying this on record, the US at that time actively encouraged India such imports from Russia to strengthen the global energy markets. India has also exposed how European Union in 2024 had bilateral trade with Russia at 67.5 billion euros in goods, in addition to services estimated to another 17.2 billion in 2023, significantly more than India's total trade with Russia this year. Also, keep in mind, European imports of LNG in 2024 reached a record 16.5 MN tons, surpassing the last year's record. So it just goes on to indicate, again, if I may, as far as the United States is concerned, it continues to import from Russia uranium hexafluoride for its nuclear industry and palladium for its EV industry, fertilizers and chemicals for themselves. So again, Donald Trump's double standards are being exposed by India.
You're absolutely right, Gaurav. Clearly, the first paragraph of this statement clearly, makes a distinction that it was U.S. government who initially encouraged India to buy Russian oil under that arrangement. Thank you, Gaurav.